Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add filters in Prestashop in 2024. So today, as we said we're going to show you how to add filters. Of course, filters, what are filters? First of all, filters are essential for helping customers find products quickly and efficiently. So if you have like a product list or something like that, filters will help them browse through those products and find the specific product that you want, especially if you have a large catalog. So let's dive into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave. For you can use this you want. So if you don't have Prestashop already, you can simply go to the URL section, just type prestashop.com and hit the enter button. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. And of course, if it's your first time, click on get started and make sure to have it to choose whatever plan you want, the classic, hosted, or custom. As you can see, this one is free, this one is paid. But even for the free one, of course, so first of all, for the free one, you'll have to fill up your email profile and then click on download to download it. Then you will find here 3-step process that you need to follow. As you can see, you'll need to install it, configure it, and personalize it. So for each of those options, they have some steps that you need to follow. So click on launch step 1, then click on, of course, read that, click on start, and follow whatever they say. So for the free plan, you will need to provide a hosting provider. For the hosting partners that they have, here as an example, they have Prestashop hosting. As you can see, 2,000, not 2,000, 200 euros per month, but you'll get a lot of services. For the partners, they have the IO-NOS, one and one, $1 per month or €1. As you can see, you'll get this services in the hosting area. You'll get this services with a free domain name if I want to. So if you get one of those hosting providers, you are normally already good to go. If you need like the other one, which is hosted, as you can see, you'll be able to start it with the 14 days free trial. If you like it, you can keep using it. If you don't, you can simply just not pay. And after that, of course, if you pay annually, you'll have to pay just $24 per month. And if you pay monthly, you'll have to pay $29. So once you choose as you can see, both options will require for you to pay money unless you want to install the Prestashop on your local computer. Or how to do that specifically, I've already made a video about it if you want to check it out. If you don't want to check it, you can simply go and open a new tab. Simply type install as an example. So install Prestashop on local host as an example, then hit the enter button, click on the first link as an example, install Prestashop locally on your computer, and follow this step-by-step guide in here. As you can see, so the steps will be those one, as you can see, highlighted, and here they will show you the details of every highlighted step in here as example. So they'll give you the application server, they'll give you like where to install this Prestashop, how to add it, and how to run the servers, how to do everything, how to even set up your store if you want to. When you're ready, you will be good to go. So now, once you do so, it's time as an example to, once you finish this as an example, you'll have access to the front office and back office. So you'll have to go and access the back office if you want to add filters in your Prestashop. Once you go into that, navigate into models, you will find it on the left panel. Under models, you can click on model manager. This is where you'll manage all the model installed on your store. So in the model manager, use the search bar and look for faced search model. And this model will allow you to add and configure product search in your store. If it's not already installed, click on the install button next to the model, and once installed, you can click on configure to have access to the model settings. In the face search model configuration, you will see an option to create some new filter templates, and you can click on add a new template, and you can even name your template something relevant like default filters or something like that. Default filters maybe. That's good, I guess. Now you'll need to choose, of course, the filter option. You want to include, like an example, price, brand, maybe category, attributes, and features. So select the options that best suits your store product and catalog. After selecting the filter options, you can configure the settings for each filter. For example, you can set the display type like drop down, checkbox, etc. And the order, of course, in which filters appear and whether the filter is collapsible or not. You can customize these settings to match your store design and user experience. Once you're done, click on Save to create the filter template. Now that you have created the filter template, you need to assign it to your product categories. So you can go to the catalog section on the left hand menu, then click on categories, select the category that you want to add the filter on, and click on edit. In the category settings, you will see an option to assign a filter template. Choose the template that you created earlier and save the changes. You can repeat this step for any other categories you want to apply filters on. After assigning the filters templates to your categories, it's time to check now the filters. How does it look on your front end of your store? By simply going to discover the front office and you'll be able to discover it. Visit your store homepage and navigate to the categories you applied the filters on, and you should see the filters in the sidebar or wherever your theme placed them. Test the filters that you applied to ensure they work correctly and make any necessary adjustments for the back or in the back office if needed. Of course, if you need more details, you can look for an article example. So how to add maybe filters and Presta. So in sorry, so Prestashop as an example, as simple as that. So here as you can see, add a new filter, row on the left side. So here's an example. So as an example, those filters looks good. So I'm quite new as an example. So this one is a forum, not an article, but you can even follow this forum. So as an example here, someone is saying something. So I'm quite new as an example. I'm using custom templates. I would like to know if I to add a new filters based on articles example. And a lot of people here were answered. So, example, this one is answered him, and he's telling him what to do. As example, tap model, modern services, block installed models, etc. As we said, kind of the same steps. Of course, you can look for other forums or other articles if you want to. Like this one, as example, maybe they show him how. So, as example, here, just follow those forums or articles if you find some, and you should be good to go. Of course, here, even if you're logging into your account, you can have access to the add-ons marketplace and maybe look for add-on or third-up party, a filter third-up party if you want to add it. As an example, you can look through a lot of apps in here. And yeah, I guess like that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.